How to protect your tweets on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to protect your tweets on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now go down and click this one, settings and privacy, and now all you to do just find this one, privacy and safety, click on it and then click here, this one, and now what I want to do is just click here, protect your tweets, turn it on, and if you want to turn it off just click on it. And that's how protect your tweets on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.